What's up, Credible Capital Crew? This is Renata. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that I put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about how I just got approved for a Citi Simply card. Okay, so don't forget to watch to the very end. You know I got that bonus information for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now I just got this here card in the mail stating that I was pre-approved. And you know how I feel about pre-approved letters. Just because you're pre-approved doesn't mean that you're approved, okay? It just shows that you have the scores that qualifies for that card. That doesn't mean that what's on your credit report is going to get you. Now, before you even apply for any type of credit cards, you need to make sure that you have no discrepancies on the card. And then also, you need to make sure exactly who they actually pull from with the bureaus. That's Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, because every bureau, your score is different. So therefore, if you have a higher score as in TransUnion or Experian, I would actually look up cards that are with TransUnion and Experian and then apply for those cards because your score is higher. Even though those cards might report to all three or maybe two bureaus, but they only look up one of those three credit bureaus or maybe two. Okay, so with this this Citi Simplicity card, and the only reason why I applied for this card is because it has 0% APR for 21 months, as well as 0% transfer fees, and you get, hold on, y'all, I can't see. Excuse my lights. It's a little bright. It's a little too bright. Hold on, y'all. Okay, you guys. I said 0% introductory APR, as well as 21 months transfer balance, 0% transfer balance, as well as 12 months on purchases from the date of open account. Okay. Now, this is the only reason why I applied for this card, because of the transfer fees as well as the 0% APR. Because of the fact that if you have multiple credit cards and you are over 30%, or that sweet spot is 10%, but if you're over that 30% on one of the cards, you can actually transfer those funds to a higher limit card, and transfer those funds to that card. That would also lower your balance and increase your credit score, because that's what I'm doing right now on my credit journey. Okay, so again, I am actually going to do the transfer balance from one card to another, which that would so that way I can call that card and ask for an increase on my Navy Federal card. And then this card here, it will still put me lower than 30% on this card. Okay, that's what I'm planning on doing. Now, how I got approved for this card, I made sure that I actually got a copy of my credit report and validate exactly what was on there. Okay. Now, there was some information that I had addresses on there that I didn't even know that was still on there. I haven't even stayed at those addresses for over 15 years. Okay. So first thing you need to do is get a copy of your credit report and make sure that all the information on there is valid. That's the same as your name, first and last name, your middle name, as long as the spelling. And if you're a junior or senior, make sure it's your information and not your father or your grandfather's. Okay. Now, with this card here, that was the only reason why I applied for it. And I got approved because of the fact that I made sure that all the information on my credit report was solid. Okay. And that I had no errors. If you have any type of collections or late payments on your card, late payments is just like collections. Don't do it. And if you do have a late payment on there, just contact them right then and tell them that you forgot and that you're willing to go ahead and make the full payment or whatever to get up to standard and drop that late payment, okay? Now, this is a great card to have. I would actually suggest y'all to do your homework, look into it, and also, let me tell you, now, this here has 0 annual fees. You pay nothing each year. 0 late fees. I have not heard of a card that has 0 late fees, y'all. And 0 penalty rates. That is crazy. This card is awesome. So, if y'all can actually jump on the bandwagon and get this card, I don't see why not. Can't go wrong with it. So, that is all I have to say. Now, bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. Now, the best thing I got for you for the bonus round is basically Experian Boost. Let me tell you, Experian Boost is doing big things. Y'all need to go ahead, download that app, and get your lights, water, your rent on there, and it will boost your credit score. Okay, and let me see. There also that also qualifies that you can actually put on their account is Netflix, Discover Plus, Hulu, HBO, AT&T, Spectrum, as well as Verizon. I didn't know they did Verizon. I might have to put my phone on him. Okay, and it would actually raise your score dramatically. So that is my bonus round for today. Go ahead and get Experian Boost. And you can also check your Experian credit report, your Experian credit score while you have it for free. So that way you can actually stay on top of your score and you can forget about Credit Karma. Credit Karma does not give you your FICO scoring. They actually do vintage scoring, okay? So you need to make sure that you get FICO scoring because if you want to go and qualify for a loan, for a house, a car, you want to see exactly what they see. And Credit Karma is not it. You want to make sure that they have a FICO scoring, okay? Smart Credit, awesome. If you need one to see all 3 credit bureaus, I'll put it in the link description bottom. I'll put a couple down there that you can actually go through either one, that you can actually get 3 copies of your credit report and you can actually stay on top of it, okay? So don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter. And I also have a podcast, y'all. So please, 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 please go over, listen to our podcast, and check us out, okay? Now, my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.